We're gonna go to the waterfall today.
Pretty excited about it. I have like a blister right here. I forgot to tell you. It's like kind of weird. Looks like I have herpes, but it isn't.
Check out my whip. It's got the new high-tech technology, tape, air conditioning, steering wheel. How many? We got 225,000 miles. It's a new record.
It's a little too much. You need to go get yourself a new car.
Hey guys, so today we're gonna go to Scott's Run. It's a waterfall that's here in the area, and we're gonna meet up with Seth and Mala over there and go pick up Coco right now. I'm an hour late to pick her up, so let's go get her. We just picked up Coco.
Hello, you.
Are you ready to go to Scott's Run?
Yeah.
That sounded so fake, but okay. I accept your fakeness. Right there is the parking lot to where we need to go, but there's an ambulance blocking it off. I want to go in, and these cars aren't moving. Alright, so we made it to Scott's Run finally after picking up her and being in traffic. So yeah, we're gonna go hike right now. It's like a 2-second hike, so it's really not that big. And then we're gonna swim. So we're gonna do outfits of the day right now. Sarah, what are you sporting?
I'm wearing hiking clothes.
And Coco, she's ready to go bicycle. And I'm wearing my water shoes.
Are you went to a water park?
We just got back to the car and we're gonna go eat at IHOP now. Are you tired, Sarah? Are you tired?
Pretty tired.
We just hiked a mountain.
I'm so tired.
Mm-hmm.
I'm so
It was
like
fun
humid.
though.
Alright, we're gonna go to IHOP now. And now we're going to IHOP.
Sorry we were unable to split checks out.
They're gonna be like, put that camera away.
If I was you, I'd wanna be.
What do you have? What do you have?
I hand because she spanks us.
I hate her so much. She's such like a discriminative person.
Said they're now accepting applications. Maybe we should work here. I got, what is this? Raspberry white chocolate, and I got a New York cheesecake.
Can we say fat?
It looks... You are so mean.
Bad bitch.
What'd you get, huh? Miss Healthy Health?
I got the.
She gotta pay extra for that. Oh, and you're just so healthy over there.
Yeah, I have my protein. I have a salad on there.
Alright.
Jesus Christ, for your best for your diabetes, can you just name amen?
Oh, I forgot to pray.
There, pray for your food.
Expired ketchup.
I didn't know how expired ketchup tastes like.
She just drank the hot sauce. Or ate it.
Drank? Yeah, stop it. She totally drank that.
I need like ice all
She seriously like put it out. Literally so much fat is going into this. It's crazy.
It's okay, just eat it. Life is to live in. You run every day, it's okay.
And then I have like diarrhea afterwards.
Are we not leaving the guy tip?
You leave it over there.
You can do it at the front.
With credit card.
Fun.
Hey guys, I'm getting my hair done by Stephanie because I loved her tutorial and I wanted
the word.
the same exact hair. I can't say it. Say it.
Tutorial.
Tutorial. I said it. I can copy someone and say it.
Go watch it.
Yes, it was good. But I still can't do it on myself.
Like Beyonce.
That'll tell us the summary of the day.
Okay, I went on a fasting today in the morning at my church. And then after that, I went hiking. And I almost saw death like 4 times. Just kidding. And now we're going to go to the carnival. Steph took forever. You know, I don't know if I should say it on camera. She's a good role model.
Let's go look around and see what we want. Or should we look over here?
Now you're getting.
Typical.
Why do you look weird? See? You look at my teeth.
I know, that's what I was saying. We're about to get on a ride. Finally, we got tickets.
Excited. Vlogging.
We're gonna go on the thing that makes you like stuck to the wall, and I'm gonna try to record inside.
It's just called a
Am I in
UFO.
focus?
Yeah, you are.
Okay, always gotta check if I'm in focus, because I'm usually not. How's the ride?
I'm so out of it right now.
How's the ride, Mala?
I had a headache personally, so it was not okay.
What happened to it? I gotta give him away.
Why? Is there to
Give everything away.
Oh, Mala just killed it.
Did I kill him?
No.
I really wanted to.
You're terrible. We got lost. Okay, so the carnival is all the way over there, and we parked all the way over there, so we have to walk like a mile to get back. Give us, okay, Sarah, what is your descent? Where are you from?
I am from El Salvador, but I'm originally from Africa. I'm just kidding. No.
What grade are you in, first of all? Let's tell
I'm a
the correct.
senior this year, so kind of sized.
How long have you known me for?
I don't know, probably like maybe since I was like, I don't know, 4th grader, 5th grader, I think.
And what do you want to do when you go to college?
When I go to college, I think I might do business, but then I don't know, because I don't want to be like your typical like, what is it called, like these people that like, oh, your suits. I don't want to do that.
You don't want to wear suits?
Well, I do want to wear suits. I want to wear business casual.
Then that's why you don't want to do business?
Well, I don't know. I just don't want to like lay down and yeah, so I think that'll be good.
So we just left the carnival, and we're gonna go try to find some smoothies.
It's closed!
What was I saying? Oh, we're in one Loudoun right now. It's like a little mini town center. It's really new. Like they just opened it. They have like theaters, restaurants, and a lot of stuff. So we're just gonna walk around.
Just to give a tour.
Okay, here's a tour. Right there is the movie theater. They give you. Okay, we have fake grass. We have the movie theater with waiters who give you food. This is like the not lawn, I don't know, it's like a patio. They have like water for the kids to be playing in the summer. And they have a concert stage right there. Then they have restaurants all around and lit up trees.
It's lit.
Sarah just dropped her phone. And it's cracked.
It is so cracked right now.
That's like the most crack I've ever seen it.
At least I didn't like jump out or anything.
So ice cream.
Oh my god. I'm actually so scared right now. I feel like my mom is gonna kill me.
So let's show them how bad you just cracked your phone.
It
Hold on.
is so bad cracked.
Let me try to focus this. Okay, she just cracked her phone.
It is so bad.
The day has turned sour. Bye, Sarah.
I feel like a mouth bubble right now.
Bye, Sarah.